boys and girls, it's Miss Amber here at my house in my classroom, and I'm going to read you a story today. So before I start our story, I want to remind you of our letter of the week. So I'm going to go ahead and show you our letter of the week. Who remembers what this letter is? Wah, wah, wah. And this little friend here is Willie Weasel. Wah, wah, wah. All right, so I'm going to show you how we write the letter W. So this is new. I just figured out how to do this, and I'm going to start my letter at the top, and I'm going to go down, and I'm going to come up, I'm going to go down, and I'm going to go up. So today I'd like you to practice writing that letter W after our story time. So we're going to read another story about when the air moves, and it's the wind. I made a mistake there, but that's okay. So I'm going to show you, I found a new way to read stories to you guys. And I am so sorry because my little friend Jackson here is being loud today, and I tried to do my lesson while he was napping, but it didn't happen. So today I'm going to read you a story called Silly Kitty and the Windy Day. So let's look at our title here. So we have Silly Kitty and the Windy Day. Ooh, there's that letter W. Wah, wah, windy day. Now, look at our little cat. Isn't he cute? He's a little black and white kitty cat. A kitty is just a baby cat. And what do you see here? What are these? Are these leaves? And they're in the air. They're blowing in the wind. This story is written by Nicola Lopetz. Okay, so here we go. This is Silly Kitty. Silly Kitty lives with his human, Emma. Oh, look how sweet he is. When Emma goes to school, Silly Kitty has to find things to do. What do you think Silly Kitty does at home when Emma goes to school? What do you think? I think he plays and takes a nap. Let's see what happens. Oh, he goes outside. Look at how beautiful it is outside. Look at all these flowers and the green grass. And look, he has his tongue out. Today is a windy day. Windy day. Look at that wind blowing. You can see the tree is swaying in the picture. Silly Kitty chases the leaves blowing off the tree. He jumps at the clothes blowing on the line. Do any of you hang your clothes to dry outside? I do. Look, he's hanging from that upside down shirt, the purple one. He watches the clouds blowing across the sky. Silly Kitty likes windy days. There are lots of things to do. Look, chasing leaves, playing with the clothes, watching the clouds go by. What do you like to do on windy days? You can see this kid right here. What is she doing on a windy day with her dad? She's flying a kite. How fun. You know, earlier today, and today's a windy day, you can tell by my hair, me and my kids went for a little walk outside, and we were able to find little seeds that flew off a tree in the wind. I don't have a kite at home, and we can't go to the stores right now, but you can find other things to do outside in the wind. You can get seeds and throw them in the air and see them fly by. The end. The end, my friends. So that was a really cute story about Silly Kitty. And after this activity, I'm going to send, there's another video for you families to work on an activity for writing and drawing after listening to either this story or the story from yesterday, either one. I hope everyone has a great day. Bye-bye, my friends.